Karbi Sports Association at Tupen Casa Stadium along unofficial exhibition football match ke paman Pontia Pan Perang Kya Mai ke Pha. Lang Hempi along cultural exchange come border development meet upon Kisik Kedang. Dilai Sports Association pen second Kanya Parlep Timong Memorial Women Football Championship ke paman Pon. Mahamaya Constituency MSC Cup Football Tournament Angdung Kiti. Karbi Prime Time along Penny Livilaban Krupi, non beer tang ton pen Arjekta, Karbi Sports Association at Tumpen Paikuni ni Pai Po Arni, Difugasa Stadium along non Kewangji ni Pai Narkep Arni, Arnitili Kethom Apor Pen Cultural Program pen unofficial exhibition football match, Kipado Ponja Pan Perangkia Mai Kipado Pona Birta, Cardinal Salong Birta Nangli. Non Kewangji Paikuni ni Pai Narkep Arni, Arnitili Kethom Apor Pen Difugasa Stadium along Karbi Morningstar FC Pen, Asaduzaman FC Bangladesh Angbong unofficial football match Lapen cultural program Haihui Pado Ponji. Labang Swaja Megalong Abarim Indian football a captain Baichung Bhutia Lapen. Aluhi Sarpo Man Pen Man Kitu Assam Government Minister Pijus Hajarikatum Chetong Dunji. Anpada Labang Swaja Megalong Karbi Autonomous Council Lapen Sports Kipatu Abang Pubang Pipen Chenglok Pinaan RD Kidwa Tumta Kachitong Dunji Pan Perangkia Mailong Pachini.
Also, the important VIP of Karbi Autonomous Council and sports person organizers are going to witness the historic organization. In this connection, we would like to request all the people of Karbi to join in the movement for having sports culture in our region. We have to establish sports culture in Karbi. Sports culture is very, very important. Or everything depends to sports.
Karbi Autonomous Council pen West Karbi District Administration Chalang Pet pen Mekhalaya Hoi Kedai Lang Hempi along Paikuni ni Pai Chok Arni. Cultural exchange come border development meet Kipuman Ponjiapan Kisikedang Asai Pachun Pontanglo. Bang Soja Mekalong Alir Alon Kipado Ponjia Pan Pinaan Arni Pen EM Rup Singteron Apong Adimaklong along Kahumri Dampado Lapen West Karbi District DC Devajoti Hajarika Penta Mesen Pen Sai Kipachun Pon Tek Japan Claim Sip Ang Tek Chipaklang Pon Tirikamot Governor Augustin Hanse Pen Kisikidang Asai Doang Tapachun Pontang Lupasi Perangke Pen Kichingi Jatan Hut Ningje Alang Lipen Bang Soja Megalong Karbi Arat Prek Jamadim Bensitame Nang lang dunra ahoy puthak kachini pamelong Japan kachuni ripen kachopha pon padu anparta Meghalay ahoy akisunga puthak Karbi Autonomous Council atumpen chini silada arat atumaphan panong pen kedengapot Karbi Autonomous Council CEM Tuliram Ronghang ABC Rina Terang Pilapen EM Rup Sing Terona Panda alang lipen kachuro pon padu
Karbi Autonomous Council itum kaching honai lapen nang chithenai tumat Tuliram sar lapen alang lihin pen organize pon lapen adak iltum sucheng a local MEC Sarup Singh Teron, Karbi Autonomous Council EM, Lapentu Amreng Humusti MEC Sangpi Rina Terangpi, Lapentu itu West Karbi District Deputy Commissioner Sar Dimojuti Hajirika, alang itum pen itum hanang pin khatsi, non bangso program penap, tarik trok kapedu pon jepan, sikdang pon tangpon kay kailo. Lasi neng thelo penap kadowe Karbi ora temanta kitigiding temanta bangso program along. Ali racham nang pidun ye phanse nitum as a reception committee pen suning riponiglo
Sai kam gate on a sai khatum setame Bang Soja Megalong Chitong Dunang Jipusi DC Devajoti Hajarika pen sai kamatuma phan kipachini padopon Dilai Sports Association ahin pen second Kanya Parlep Timung Memorial Women Football Championship Paikuni ni Pai Play Arni Arnitili ke Thamapor pen Dilai Sports Association Pathua Klamalong Kipaman Pona Birta Cardinal Salong Birta Nangle Dilai Sports Association men football ke pathu kachepate rat cycling bangjoy sing timung pilongri arts deben timung lapen akort ing jara tumasar bura amen pensi labangso ke pathu bi ponlo bangso ke pathu along alhui sarpo aman pen Karbi Autonomous Council chairman long ke timung Borjan VDC chairman Chris Rongpar KSA amai phu Nobin Rongpi Karsa amai phi Rani timung pi HDP Sports Association pen Kaman Tiso pen Chenglok ong dungatum ta chetong dun Kicheng si ki pathu arni la ke zigzag pen dilai MX ko la tum angbong si pathu panglo ki pathu apor ki piating pen pathu dat anta goal isina ta ka chipi thek thedat ajok tie breaker pen dilai golf MX ko la tum pen goal hini pen zigzag ateranga tum aphat parem ponlo Namalam sopor phan biar tamoin tapanik sina Karbi Family Restaurant, a fine dining restaurant, the most flavorable and exciting meals made with passion. Ethnic cuisine like Indian tandoori, Chinese, Pan-Asian and Karbi kitchen. Special food items like seafood dishes, fish and prawns are served. Pork special like barbecue pork spare ribs and Northeast style pork curry. Also, the restaurant does catering order for parties, events, wedding, etc. It also offers free home delivery services. Distance and minimum order. Within 2 kilometers, rupees 500, 2 to 5 kilometers, 700, and 7 to 10 kilometers, rupees 2,500. For queries and services, contact at 6901312934 or 6901312930. Karbi Family Restaurant, 4th floor, HRSA Complex, Dharamnala Road, Difu, near Bazar, India. Big sale! Up to 20% off on baby wear, 5% off on grocery items and 6% off on beauty and personal care. Also special Durga Puja offer on ladies and gents wear. To avail this opportunity, step in Saraswati Superstore right now. Home delivery services are available within 3 kilometers radius of Difu. For more details and services, please contact at 70024 56806 or 9957 537019. Saraswati Superstore, MS Hans Enterprise, near Mamta Pharmacy, Difu Main Market. Hurry up, hurry up! Hero Company gives you a beautiful opportunity to have any kind of scooty or bike with the best help of easy loan facility. Also, it will be covered up with best driving comfort, best mileage, easy spot finance, best looks, etc. Service accessories and spare parts are available here. Please contact nearest authorized dealer. SMV Motors opposite of DIG Bungalow, Difu Manje Road, Karbi Anglong, Difu. For more queries, please contact 9613731109 or 9101147818.
Ganj Assam Hill Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang sa hormu ason salam pontanglo. Lasinang tum Arniwang kenang sot kecu ason la penthesri alang hithi kulat along longpon ikji. Kang sirtang kijun alang tharwe alang theso alang kecu ajam tu tharmit aduk Thelua kreng chitronola ukthor pen chenglok ongdung hemalong akenang sot hormu longpon ikji.
Come on, come on! Grand opening of Bazaar, India. A shopping mall consisting of various quality of gents wear, ladies wear, kids wear, and tremendous quality of household items, accessories, etc. Beautiful Main Market, Old LIC Building, Karbi Anglong, Assam. Looking for your needs? Visit Bazaar India.
আজিকালি যিকোনো পাৰ্টি মানে কাঞ্চ জুচ বাইদি বেটো কমলাটো খাইছিলি না আনাৰসৰটো পাহাৰীয়া কমলা আৰু আনাৰসৰ পৰা তৈয়াৰ কৰা কাঞ্চ জুচ সম্পূৰ্ণ বিশুদ্ধ কাঞ্চ জুচ খাওক জীৱনৰ মজা লওক
কাঞ্চ জুচ
Dinamo Piputat Biotalong Bangtolo. Karbi Anglong Angkang a constituency tin along the MSC Cup football tournament ki patupon asonsi. Mahamaya constituency MSC Cup ta phai kunini phai pli arni paklong kam rubjili patha klamalong angdung kiti ki patupon biota card ni supherang ki pen biota nangpale. Angdung kiti ki pathualong narlongati polling station pencil dharampur polling station atum angbong si pathupon lo. Arnitili hinira attem apor pen ki chengsi angkung ki pathu pangcheng pondet aphi. Minute crep ho ke choka hut narlongati polling station pen Wilson crobol ipum thap pensi apor padam lo. Puthot adun thu ke pathu angkung cheng pon thu pen minute pho ke choka hut narlongati polling station atum pen thuniram teron pen ball ipum thap thulo. Ke pathu jujji dog dog hut Wilson cropen puthot ball ipum thap thu pen narlongati polling station pencil dharampur polling station atumaphan ball pum thom pen parmc angkung kiti ke pathu che pahai ponlo ke pathu seg ball ke thap thek nai Wilson crow lapen ke pathu ke lang menai bijan teron atumsi nong e che palong ponlo ke pathu seg ke lang chari dun mate referee tumroton imti birson kramsa puma tiso lapen bolon tok bipia tum pensi lang chari dun lo ke pathu jodet pen CM hin pen ke pathu anat kosonsi ke paprang dun thek jimapu apothak lam the jai teka bangso angdung kiti ke pathu along ke LNLF achun bang thong teron sarbura kalitang kania teron chikimo amen pesi angdung kiti ahut ke pathu terang atuma phan no AP pajir ponlo Dhansuri Dimasa Cultural Hall along Paikuni ni Pai Po Arni Rai Komasai Khia tum pen chirok to mai ki padu pon birta pherang ki pen card ni susa hemalong birta nang pale Dhansuri habar along Monsa pen ki duke thak long jia phan Rai Komasai Khia tum pen chirok to mai ki paman pon Police ICN Bora pen ki chari pon amai long Hirok Jyoti Das Dhansuri hithiang kang ke do abang phutum chetong dun rinti Idamtang 1968 aningkan Golaghat district angkang kiparo Chungajan Baptist Church amhang patheksi nonan ke ningkan phokep ki chok mate Golden Jubilee kipado pona biota card news pherang ki anant terang pen birta nang pale Nihang Karbi Baptist Association along Kaching Bedun Chungajan Baptist Church atum penchipatir pi ponsi phaikuni ni phai ke thom arni ata por phai kep apor pen men ka chathap la pen aluhi atumaphan kangthum karni apor la pen arnitili pho apor pen ke chengsi Kanghong Girja Padoponlo Sokme Baptist Church Pastor Bole Intipen Ketchapam Pupon Amayalong Arnam Alam NKBA Executive Secretary Reverend Benting Teron Pensi Than Ponlo Paikuni ni Pai Pli Arni Matikijut Arni Ada Porpai Sirkep Aporpen Reverend Benting Teron Ariding Pen Chungajan Baptist Church Golden Jubilee Along A Ingpu Ponlo Adon to Reverend Davidson Ingti Ariding Pen Penel Ingpu Ponlo Lapen Reverend Lawrence Ingti Pen Jubilee Souvenir Ingpu Ponlo Ada porpai kep apor pen karcho amailong pastor baburam prong pharpen ke chaphem phupon amailong chunbang kohelet phangcho pen kachitong aluhi alpen pregjam karcho lapen nong eke pajura por enlo adun thu karli tanga tuma phan kachikimo apor lapen khehoto Baptist Church lapen chungajan Baptist Church atum pensi jumisen alun lun si parjuponlo Rong Theang Baptist Church Pastor pen Bible porhi pons Arnam Alam Reverend Lawrence Ingti pensi Sertalin karcho pen pachatonsi Arnam Alam than ponlo laso amaya sek Kero Karchu NKBA Risonim Sa Song Tumpensi Lun Parju Panolapen Antioch Baptist Church Tumpen Jutanga ke kan paklang ponsi Kijut ka chutong dun atum an pen Golden Jubilee Amen pen choran isar chorap sarsi Mai mesen pen pachunlo Birta bang gilapan skang ton poniglo dumi thagmi kurang thu